Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this simple stew but yet delicious that you can enjoy with any kind of swallow of your choice, and also you can enjoy that with rice. And here are my peppers, tomatoes and onion. I'm going to go ahead to blend that. You can use any type of pepper you want anyway, so but these are the types I choose to use. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to blend that until smooth, and when that is ready I'm going to transfer that into my pot and allow that to parboil. And you might decide not to parboil yours if that's what you want, but I think doing this also helps the taste of your stew. Okay, and now to a pot I'm going to add some oil, enough vegetable oil to cook the stew. All right, so next, when that heats up for some few minutes, I'm going to add my chopped onion and allow that to fry for about 2 minutes or till it's translucent. Then next I'm going to introduce my boiled pepper, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go ahead to stir that to combine, want to stir on it till it's nicely combined. Then I have my meat broth here. If you have fish broth, you can as well use it. And I'm going to be adding some seasoning, salt, and that's basically it, guys. And I'm going to go ahead to stir that as well to combine. Add some water, enough to cook the stew properly. Then next I'm going to stir that, stir on it. Then also add my fresh fish. Okay, I'm actually making a fish stew, and that's why you are seeing fish inside. Then I have this bone meat that I got from the meat I boiled, and I'm going to add that as well so that it can soak up some of those stew, and cover that to cook for a few minutes. And yeah, then next I noticed that the taste wasn't enough, so I added more seasoning and salt as well. And I'm going to introduce my fried fish as well. Okay, and also cover that to cook for a few minutes. And when you discover that the oil has separated from the stew, it shows that your stew is ready. Okay, and this is me checking back on it, and I notice it's ready. And yeah, that's basically it, guys, and your fish stew is ready. And today I'm going to be pairing it with semo okra soup, and that's exactly what I did here. I hope you enjoyed watching just as much as I enjoyed sharing the recipe with you. And if you watch to this point and yet to like the video, please give me a like. Alright, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.